Foreigner, Cold as Ice. Let's get started. Okay, Arian Smith here. Cold as Ice by Foreigner. Always remember at the end of my videos, on every video, I will let you know what your next lesson is going to be. So this song here, Cold as Ice, you can actually play along with it. It's in the original key, so you'll be able to play along with it and stuff. Okay, it starts out like this. And then you go. Just watch my hands, so it's, yeah, watch the upper keyboard. So I'll slow it down. See how I'm doing that? The singing's there, so when it starts singing, you'll be doing them. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love. You never take advice. Someday you'll pay the price. Now your next part is going to go a little tricky, but it goes, I know I've seen it before enough time and time. You're closing the door, you leave the world behind. You're digging for gold, you're blowing away fortune and feelings. Someday you'll pay. Big chord, big four note. So I'll slow her down. I know I've seen it before, it happens all the time. You're closing the door, you leave the world behind. You're digging for gold, you're throwing away fortune and feelings. Someday you'll pay. I'll run through it again, because those bass notes, you got to definitely get in there right. So it goes, I know I've seen it before, another time has come. You're closing the door, you leave the world behind. You're digging for gold, throwing away fortune and feelings. Someday you'll pay. Big four note. Like I said, you can play it. This song is right with the original key, and you'll be able to play right along with it. And then you come right back to that. For your second verse. That's your second verse that comes back to. Okay, then after that part, it goes up. You know you are cold. You got that part? So I'll do it again. That part. Just do it slow. Then you're here. Then it goes back to that. And then it just ad-libs and fades out. So you're here. You're doing. See, there's a part in there that's missing that I don't have. And I don't have the lead break. So you could work with it and probably get it even much better than what I got it. So you're here. So you're here and you're doing. I'll do it again. You're here. Fades out and cold as ice, as cold as ice, oh yeah. Then it just fades out by that one part. So you're going. Then it just comes in, abs-lib, and fades out. But there's parts in there that's missing that I don't have, like the lead. But work with it because it's actually in the original key. You could probably get it. So there you go. Now I'm going to let you know what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time, later.